Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best cat treehouse for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best cat treehouse for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you're a cat owner, you already know that your feline friend needs more than just food and a cozy bed. They need entertainment, exercise, and a space of their own. That's where a cat treehouse comes in. It's more than just pet furniture. It's a multifunctional play zone, scratch post, and resting spot all in one. Why buy a cat treehouse? A cat treehouse satisfies your cat's natural instincts. Cats love to climb, scratch, and perch in high places where they feel safe and in control. A well-designed cat tree offers various platforms, enclosed spaces, and sisal-covered scratching posts to keep your pet mentally and physically stimulated. It also saves your furniture. Rather than using your sofa or curtains as scratching surfaces, your cat will redirect that energy to their treehouse. Key features to consider: size and height. Choose a tree that suits your space and your cat's agility. Taller models are great for active cats, while shorter, wider ones are ideal for older or less mobile pets. Materials and durability. Look for quality materials like sturdy wood or engineered board, and scratch-resistant coverings such as sisal rope and carpet. Avoid flimsy plastic or unstable designs that can tip over. Comfort and design. Platforms should be soft and roomy enough for lounging. Enclosed cubbies offer privacy, while hammocks and hanging toys can add fun. Choose a design that complements your home decor as well. Stability and safety. Safety is crucial. Make sure the base is wide and weighted enough to prevent tipping, especially if you have multiple cats. Best for multi-cat homes. If you have more than one cat, choose a model with multiple levels, perches, and hiding spots. This prevents territorial fights and keeps all your cats entertained and happy. A cat treehouse is an investment in your pet's happiness and well-being. It promotes exercise, reduces stress, and saves your furniture from scratch damage. With so many styles and sizes available, you're sure to find one that both you and your cat will love. Whether you're a new cat parent or upgrading an old tree, take the time to choose the right cat treehouse and watch your kitty climb, scratch, nap, and play in joy. Thanks for watching the video.